green and bright, flies up high, what a lovely sight. Chirping, singing all the day, happy birdie, come and play. Little parrot loves to talk, hello, hello, on the walk. Eating guavas red and sweet, clap your hands and tap your feet. Little parrot swings on trees, dancing lightly in the breeze. Colors shining red and blue, saying how are you, how do you do? Little parrot, small and sweet, makes the jungle song complete. Come my friend, don't be shy, wave your wings and say goodbye.